Hello again, everybody, and welcome back. It's August 7th. It is, what time is it? 6:48 in the morning. Normally we're not up at this time, much less out walking the streets, but kids going to school and people going to work. And if you're gonna film, I suppose these are the sacrifices you have to make, because this is the best time to be filming, I think. Mara's with us. Say something. Okay. Lottery ladies are out. If you need any lottery tickets, they're pretty easy to spot. More lottery tickets.
Yeah, they're coming around where the market is. It's hustling and bustling now in the morning.
We got some carbohydrates here.
Like, some waffles.
The corn lady.
Corn on the cob. Maybe later. Looks like they're already steamed.
Yeah, if you want to buy anything, buy it after we're on our way back, not when we're taking off. You should buy a big watermelon right now, and then you have to carry it for 20 minutes. Banh mi. Now this is that same, what day did we walk through here? This is that same morning that we walked through.
Oh, it was about 3 days ago, maybe?
No, it was the very first day.
Oh, there's a Can Tho.
Can Tho. He's wearing his French jersey. The very first day, August 1st, we walked through here and there was hardly anyone here because
this is what a market
it was
looks
high
like.
noon. And I said how much busier it would be in the morning.
Oh yeah, here they go. Look at the chickens and the feed.
Oh.
Wow.
I told you there'd be meat products in the morning.
They still leave the feed on.
More chickens and ducks. So we got plenty of fruit and veg. And of course, we've got beef, various organs.
The meats.
Ah. Some more corn. There's a lot of corn in the morning.
More corn.
Bop.
Hello.
Oh. This is where that little kid was waving at us.
Yes. Yeah, this is all the meat. The pig ears.
Yep. You need some ears or the carnivores over there and the breadivores over here.
Oh, you missed it.
I'm sure that's not a term, but should there be a term made for people who only eat bread? Think there's anybody on an all bread diet? We got pork.
Carb diet.
Chickens and ducks. And squids and cuttlefish and fish and fish and fish.
There were frogs. Oh,
There's
man. Ooh, the eyes are still.
Yeah, I saw the eyeballs. An entire tray of eyeballs. She's really pretty. That's the prettiest butcher I've ever seen.
Gotta watch when we're walking, talking. We're gonna get hit by motorbikes. Oh, that one's trying to jump out.
Oh, the big
She's
big boys. Okay, I'm going to admit something. As many things that I've seen that I've been shocked by over the last 13 years, I have never seen a tray of nothing but eyeballs.
I know.
Have you ever seen a tray of eyeballs before? Oh, I don't want to know what they're going to do with it. Damn. Chào buổi sáng.
Chào buổi sáng.
Chào buổi sáng.
You got the banana lady.
Oh, roosters.
Okay. Back through here, except instead of going on the bridge this time, we'll go down the side under the bridge.
We're gonna try to cross this thing. Oh, we're gonna go underneath.
Yeah, you don't have to, even if you did want to get to the other side, you don't have to try to run across all this traffic. You can just go down under the bridge and turn to the left. But I think when we get to the end of this road, we'll be at the river, and then we will turn to the right. That was the neighborhood I was trying to get to today. What time did I say it was back there when I started?
7:48
Yeah, something
or
like
6:48. 6:48. I apologize. See, another being in Vietnam. The guy in front of us just came down from that market and he's walking barefoot. He walked off, he turned off that street where we were.
Yeah.
Just walking barefoot. Does truck see us?
He's moving slow. You go ahead of me. I try to go single file through here because I don't know if any of these vehicles coming off the road are gonna, because cars could still come down here too, not just motorbikes. Although, before, to avoid that, I walked down there on the old gravel road. See, Mara, that's the original gravel road that used to be
Oh, yeah.
going down to the river, and then they
Chow Boo sang?
They built this one. They built this nice version and opened it up a couple of months ago. Time for timer.
It's only 7. We've only been walking for 10 minutes. And look how far we've gotten.
Yeah, I really should have stuck the camera right onto that,
Eyeball?
onto the tray of eyeballs.
Yeah, you do.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm not going to go over there and zoom in on whatever that dog is
Sniffing.
chewing on.
Ugh. Ew.
Yeah, poor puppies.
They get what they can get. You're gonna turn left up here, or?
And this is the Can Tho River. Can Tho River.
Which way?
Turn to the, maybe later we'll go all the way that way, but for now we're going to turn to the right. Hey puppy, they're following us now.
Oh, there's a little fluffy one over there. I think they know their limit though. They end up stopping. New building being reconstructed here.
Put a new facade on this.
Oh, gotta get over.
One lady selling fish, not at a big market gathered with other people. She just created her own little market. Oh.
Yep.
No waves, but at least I got some smiles that time.
Got some looks.
Yeah, here on the side of the Can Tho River, and
Look, there's some tour boats out there. People on their morning.
Yeah, there's the.
Probably a bunch of foreigners are doing a morning tour.
Yep, that's the. Being in
You're
the
probably going down
Mekong.
to the Mekong River Market.
Yeah, being here in the Delta, the river market is our #1 tourist destination. That's why people come down here. So if you want me to get up early in the morning and take you to the river market, I can't believe I haven't done that in the last 2 years. Let me know in the comments.
Here's another coconut graveyard on both sides of the road. You got the fresh and you got the old.
You get ahead, please. It's like a wide road for just nothing but motorbikes, but they're going both ways, and Yep. The coconut graveyard. The sun is trying to burn a hole into those morning clouds.
Hello, Chubby Sang.
Guys sleeping in hammocks on their boat. I didn't see him, but Mara did. Even here, there's cafes.
All along the river.
Cafes as far as the eye can see. Every 100 feet, you got a place where you can sit down and get a coffee.
Yeah, more tour boats. They're all over now. That's a nice house, just right here, right on the river.
Yeah, nice new paint job.
Looks like,
I
yeah.
walked by here. I think they've redone it very recently. We got
To me, that looks more modern.
we got blocks with razor wire on top of it next to Pachow. That
Modern.
nice looking house.
Yeah, this is the old house.
We got the delicious grilled meats going. Got our vegetable garden for our food because they don't exactly have a yard. So if you're growing vegetables here at home,
Yeah.
see they got everything in planters,
Yep.
and then here in planters. There's flowers over here, but the vegetables are over there. Here comes the grab man. I just checked to make sure Mara wasn't trying to get a ride back home.
here.
I said, here comes the grab man. The grab guy just drove by.
Grab.
I was checking to see if you already called for a ride to go back home.
No, I'm still here.
Check out this. After the
You
orange
crossing?
shirt goes by, I want
Crossing
to go look
again?
at this boat.
Man, that's a big motor.
Check that thing out.
The whole entire boat's like consists of a motor.
Yeah, I don't know what that motor is for. We'll see the big pump. I don't know
Yeah.
if that's running whatever all's going on in the front, because the motor for the boat is just in the back, like Thailand, a car motor on a
Yeah.
long shaft with a propeller at the end.
Oh,
He's
it
even
actually
got-
goes back.
Yeah, he's got his little cafe built
little
here with
cafe.
ceramic painting for the.
Yeah.
You can paint some ceramics.
And
get a
seating all in the
beverage.
back. Looks nice back there. You wouldn't even notice.
So they got a nice house back behind the nice gate,
Uh-huh. And then you have this.
and then it's right next to this. It's a. It is a land of contrast. Let's just leave it at that.
You want to go across this little bridge or go to...
It just.
It just goes through that little neighborhood?
Yeah, it's like the letter D. That road ends up here. You'll
I
come
see.
out right there.
Yeah. The little shrine
Not
right
that
here.
I've been through this section millions of times. And a cafe on every corner, like I said.
Yeah. And these are houseboats that people live on.
I'm gonna spend a couple of nights in there. Ought to buy one of those and put it on Airbnb.
Yeah. I mean, it's literally built on a boat. They just...
Chao
Maybe-
Bui Sang.
How were we saying?
Get some dragon fruits, potatoes.
Ciao, Bui Sang.
There's their little market for the neighborhood here. Saw the rooster cages, but I don't see any roosters.
Might be down at the market.
Yeah, they've already been dispatched to the market, which we're getting close to. Ciao, Bui Sang.
Ciao, Bui Sang. Children, they love to say hi to us. Then when we say hi, they run away and hide. There's some roosters. Oh, they're all over here now.
Yeah. Is this corn?
Looks like it. Now that's a monkey bridge
Yeah, get on your boat.
to go.
Let's look at that.
Try
You got
walking
your
on that.
boat, you pull up and then you got to get off and on that. But how about that one? Walk all the way out to your boat on the monkey bridge.
That's a big slingshot. Here's your car.
Yeah, we could probably put some money into that and get it rolling again. No, I don't think so. I don't think so. So, this morning river walk.
Hello.
Hello. On our side, again, people actually live
It's a houseboat, yep. That's their
in
garden
that boat.
outside
They've
there.
got their vegetables and planters.
Oh, look who's laying on top of it.
Oh, I didn't even stop because of the Deadpool on top. They put a Deadpool on top of their
With their conical hat. That's awesome.
Ula Choi. Where'd they get that at? Oh, there's the thumbnail. Deadpool. I gotta get closer. Okay. Pow. Perfect. I'm glad you pointed that out. I was looking right at it, but I was looking at the vegetables and the boat and everything. I didn't even notice the big cutout on top. Okay, let's get to the bridge. We're gonna sign off up here at the bridge.
Sounds good. I'm ready to go find me a drink or something. Oh.
Hello.
Ciao, Bui Sang. Hello.
Bố sáng.
Yeah, ciao, Bui Sang.
Just stop right in the middle of the bridge.
Hello.
Hello.
Now that I'm getting ready to sign off,
Everybody's saying.
everybody's wanting to say hello.
Ah,
We got the nice bird's nest of wires up here.
yeah.
Let's crank it this way, Mara. Okay, we're gonna leave this off right here. We're gonna say goodbye on August 7th. Tomorrow will be August 8th, and this camera will be turned on right here at this spot on this bridge. And we're gonna continue down that way because I know there's a big market down there, and then there's also some other stuff that I want to show you and some stuff I want to show Mara because I don't think I've even taken her down there. So until then, we'll see you tomorrow.
Ciao.